Sometimes when we start a new hobby, we get involved and people start spouting off words that we don't really understand, but we don't want to ask and kind of feel dumb. So, this is a list of 20 keywords that are commonly used by astrophotographers that beginners should probably know. The first one is aperture. This is the opening in a telescope or a lens that controls the amount of light that reaches the camera's sensor. The next one is focal length. This is the distance between the lens and the sensor determining magnification and field of view. Well, that brings up field of view. What is that? A lot of people refer to it as FOV, the observable area captured in one single image, affected by focal length and sensor size. Next is ISO, the sensitivity of the camera's sensor to light. It's important for capturing faint celestial objects. Shutter speed, the length of time that camera's sensors is exposed to light. It's crucial for long-term exposure photography. Exposure, the amount of light reaching the camera sensor. It's controlled by ISO, aperture, and shutter speed. Light pollution. This is a big one in astrophotography. It's the artificial light that interferes with viewing and imaging celestial objects like street lights, city lights, cars driving by, neighbors' porch lights. Dark frame. An image taken with the lens cap on to capture sensor noise used in image processing. A flat frame is an image taken of a uniform light source to correct for dust or vignetting in post-processing. A bias frame. It's a short exposure with the lens cap on. It's capturing sensor readout noise for calibration. Tracking. The process of moving a telescope or camera mount to compensate for the Earth's rotation. Guiding. Using a second camera or software to ensure precise tracking during long exposures. The C-Star does this automatically for us. The Bortle scale, a numerical scale measuring the darkness of the night sky from 1, which is darkest, to the 9, which is the brightest. Subframe, a single exposure that is stacked with others to create a final image. Stacking means combining multiple subframes to reduce noise and enhance detail. Post-processing. This is when we edit and enhance a final image using software like Photoshop or PixInsight or Cyril. A nebula. A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust in space, often photographed for its vivid colors and the structures and images it makes. Deep sky object, or commonly referred to as DSO. Objects outside our solar system like galaxies, star clusters, and nebula. Andromeda Galaxy, or M31. It's a popular galaxy target for beginners. It's visible with a telescope or binoculars. The Milky Way core. This is the brightest, most photogenic part of our galaxy. It's often captured in wide-field astrophotography. So those are 20 of the words that you probably want to learn as a beginner. It will help you understand other astrophotographers as they talk and instructions that they give and tutorials. And knowing these words will make you feel like you're a pro too. Thanks for watching.